In this video, we will show you how to deal with chipped succulents. There are several things that could happen in your succulents while inside a carrier box. Please watch till the end of this video to know how to deal in each situation. There's a short question at the end of this video. Number 1. Healthy looking succulents. These succulents look healthy. No sign of over-watering nor under-watering. But it needs air drying for around 5 days. After that, let's pot it. It came from a different environment, so it needs to acclimate for 4 weeks. Please click thumbnail about acclimation at the end of this video. And we are done. Number 2. Falling yellow leaves is a sign of overwatering. This could be overwatered before it was shipped, or the trap moisture inside the box caused this to get overwatered and rot. We should remove all signs of rot. All yellow leaves must be removed too. These yellow leaves won't grow roots, so let's just dispose them off. Let's air dry them for 5 days or so to form hard callus. Let's pot it, and still we need to acclimate as it's from a different location. Please click thumbnail about acclimation at the end of this video. And we're done. Number 3. Thin, wrinkled, and dry leaves are signs of underwater. The leaves are wrinkled and thin. It's a clear sign of underwater. We can use water therapy here for 8 hours or so, depending how thin the leaves are, just to give the plant a boost. But if you're not sure whether your succulent is overwatered or underwatered, it's better not to do water therapy. Air dry it for about 5 days. Then time to pot. Acclimation is a must since it came from a different location. Please click thumbnail about acclimation at the end of this video. And we're done. Number 4. Rotten stems and leaves. These succulents suffered from excessive trap moisture, a sign of overwatering. To fix this, we need to remove all signs of rot. This is rot. Looks wet in the inside. Then, air dry for 5 days. After 5 days of air drying, check the leaves and stems again. If the rot progresses, then remove more rotten parts. Otherwise, pat it. Then acclimate for 4 weeks. Please click thumbnail about acclimation at the end of this video. And we're done! Number 5. What to do with fallen leaves. All of these leaves are yellow and have fallen, so these leaves have a slim chance of growing roots. But if you want to try to propagate these, please do so. Who knows, you might just grow some. Our question for the day: would you propagate the fallen yellow leaves? Do you have other problems when ordering online? Please comment your answers below, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Happy succulents gardening!